You love the camera. Hi. Hi. Camden. Hi. Hi, Cam. Hi. Hi. Who are you standing up on?
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I know how to get you to come here. I can't even. No. Camden, I'm gonna get you. Hi. They see those TV. No. Oh my goodness. All right, you look at the camera. Do you see yourself? No. Do you see yourself? Who is that baby? Who is that precious baby? No kisses for the camera. How about kiss for mama? Mama kiss? No, mama kiss. Mama kiss. Mama kiss. Gracie, no. Gracie, no. Grace. Camden, kisses. 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 Ow. Ow. You got little razor toes. Wait a minute. Wait. Get the block. Can you show me where your ear is? Camden, wave. You wave. I see teepees. I see teepees. Here, let's be on Candy camera. Okay, hold on. Say, okay, Camden and mommy. Can you see us? I don't know. Okay. Where we going? We wanna walk outside? No, Gracie's crate. No. Thank you. Gracie, no. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Woohoo! I see him. I'm gonna get him. Ah. Good boy. Can you clap your hands? Yay! 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 All right. Can you wave? Wave to the camera. Say wave. Camden. The Gracie won't stop giving Mama kisses. Enough, Grace. Hey. Hi. Gracie, easy. No, no. Be nice to him. No, no. Get your toy. Go get your toy, Grace. Gracie, get your toy. No, no. You gonna get Elmo? No, we gotta leave Doggy alone. Camden. Good boy. Good boy. Now get Elmo. So you wanna dance with Elmo? Good girl, Grace. Good girl. Ready? Go get it, Gracie. Alright, come on over here, baby doll. Camden. Over here, darling. Good girl, Grace. Alright, bring me a toy. No, no, Camden. And you shake it all like that. Yay! That's what it's all about. He puts a leg in and he shake it all about. We do the hokey pokey and we turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about. He said bye-bye. Can you wave to him? See eyes? Where's Elmo's eyes? No, no. Thank you. No, no. Camden, William, James. No. Thank you. No, no. Good boy. Come here, baby doll. Come here, Camden. Gracie, come here. Come here, Cam. Look, honey. We do the hokey pokey and we turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about. Gracie, seriously. Enough. No, 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 no. Enough. Hi. Can you wave? Can you wave? Hello. No kisses, Grace. Come here, Gracie. Come here. Come here, Grace. Gracie. Gracie, no, no. Gracie. All right, back up. Gracie, no kisses now. No. Get your toy. Bring me a toy. You see your shadow? Uh-oh. What are you doing? You sleepy? Or are you going potty? Where you going? No, no. Hot. Hot. Good boy. No, no. Come here. Come this way. Come on, Camden. Gracie. Excuse us. Gracie. Gracie, get over here. No, no. It's Gracie's. Oh, yeah. Gracie. No, Grace. Gracie, come here. Come here, baby. Ouch. Did you go potty? Come here, let me see. Come here. Oh, I think you. Hey! No, he likes you to chase him. He knows what that is. He gets excited.
Okay, Billy, let's go. This was just a stop by.
All right, keep on pushing. There you go. Come on. Look at you. Getting stronger.
Oh, yes, my legs.
I told you he got some powerful legs. He got some powerful legs. He's got football legs.
Yeah.
I can see you now running up the middle. Going for a touchdown.
Beep, beep, beep.
In another year, he'd be right now with him, like, if that moon bounce thing,
Yeah.
he'd go something. I'm telling you. If that wasn't cute.
Yeah, it was real cute to see your daddy go
And they had-
bounce, and slide.
Yeah.
I ran and jumped like they do on that the water thing on TV.
Yeah.
And I bounced coming down. Boom, boom. He went there.
Because everybody thought it was funny. Everybody kept saying, Billy, let's see you go down. I said, he's already been down it
Then he got
twice.
Reggie going. And me and Susan stood back and just laughed.
He went on it.
Reggie went up there. And then the Jacob.
So much food, I never seen
Oh
so
my
much food.
goodness. I'm busting. My stomach's hurting. I had 300 gallons of desserts. Good.
They had some kind of lemon bars, cookies, fudge, brownies,
All kinds of stuff. Apple, some kind of apple.
some kind of baked
Yeah.
apples.
Intercept apple.
Look at him, look.
Look at that.
Look. He's watching.
Look at that.
For them?
No, it's time.
Uh-oh.
Unless they go for two. If they go for two, they get one. They get two.
Look at him looking at it.
You watching football?
Oh, you ready for some football?
Hi.
$27.
Hi.
You got a good game, Joe? I'm recording it.
I just started watching.
I'm recording it. So
My
I'll
dad
go home
told me
watching.
something about it. So my
Oh,
dad,
so they took the 27-20.
my dad
There you
got
go.
I can't believe he's what he.
Where you going?
I mean, he got up there by himself. Now he can't get off though.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There you go.
They had
Who are you
horseshoes. They had.
You gotta pull. There you go.
His little feet so look.
Get it, Gracie.
Hey! Yeah!
Then he gets these right before he outgrows that.
Yeah, because he's getting so he keeps his hands down
That's what
more.
I'm saying. So she needs to get by him before she.
Yeah.
Y'all got a video on that?
Yeah, I mean, we've got video, and I'm taking video now.
You need to send that down to your dad, or you know.
If you're not a mess.
I haven't put video on the site recently.
I can never. Yay!
We told him already.
Camden, can you wave?
He went backwards.
I can't tell.
Wait, see.
You wave? Wave, Camden.
I saw the car.
Oh, there it is.
There goes that nose.
It was cold.
Oh, I'm trying to.
Yeah, he brings him